Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to the new session of problem based on equations, forming and solving. This is based over the discussion of 25 questions that deals with the concept of problem and solving. Earlier you have watched one more video in which I explained you the basic concept. Now it is a exercise discussion video. Okay. So in this video we will solve the different questions on the board. You study the question side by side and then try to answer it, and also try to find out the approach that I am going to apply in order to answer our questions. So we are going to start the questions one by one. The first statement talks about the sum of two numbers is 48. The smaller number is less than the greater number by half the greater number, right? It means if I say if the greater number is x and smaller number is less than half of the greater, it means the greater is x, the smaller number would be x minus x by 2, that is said to be x upon 2, right? In that case we have to find the greatest number. It means sum of these two numbers is equal to 48, or I can say 3x by 2 equal to 48. From here I can say x equal to 32. That becomes my answer. So I can say the greatest number is said to be 32, or else we can take the help of the options. Suppose the first number is 24, that cannot be possible. Second option is 32. When I take half of the number, that is 16. It means if I take this number to be 32, my smaller number would be 16 and the sum is equal to 48. Here I can say the answer to this question is question number B. Okay. The second question is, if the radius of a circle is increased by some length and its circumference increases by 44. We know that circumference is 2 pi r, right? If I say earlier my radius was capital R and new it is r, the difference will be equal to 44, and in the answer I am supposed to find out r minus r. This is 2 into 27, so here I can say r minus r equal to 7. So we can say that increase in the radius is equal to 7. What I have assumed here that r is my original, small r is my original radius and the capital R is after increase. So I will take it as 2 pi r minus 2 pi r is equal to 44. I am able to get my answer. Check out this statement number 3. It talks about that a toothpaste and toothbrush respectively cost rupees 4 more and 4 less than the amount that Rafiq has. For example, Rafiq has x rupees. It means toothbrush cost x plus 4 and toothpaste cost x minus 4, right? Further given that total cost is 28. It means sum is equal to 28. So I can say x is equal to 14. So what the question is, find the amount with Rafiq. So our answer is said to be D. He has total rupees 14 with him. Next we have question number 4. It is given that the present age of a father is 5 more than 10 times of the age of his grandson, right? The present age of the grandfather is 5 more than 10 times of the age of the grandson. After how many years will the grandson attain the present age of the father, which is 65? It means if I say the present age of the grandfather is 66, it means according to the question the grandson age is x, so we can say 10x plus 5 equal to 65. Here I can say 60 equal to 10x or x equal to 6. Means the present age of the grandson is equal to 6 years, and the question is after how many years will the grandson attain the present age of the grandfather? It means the grandson age must be 65. That would be possible after 59 years. The answer to my question is 59 years. Answer is A, right? Next you have question number 5. Generally whenever you have a 2-digit number question or a 3-digit number question, it better to use the help of the options. In a 2-digit number, the digit, the tens place is 3 more than the digit in the unit place. Try to check out. Tens place is 3 more than the unit place. When I check out, all 4 options are true over it. Then 2 times the digit in the unit place is equal to digit in the tens place. Here it does not apply. Here it does not apply. In C option it applies. So I can say answer to my question is 63, because in that both conditions are satisfied. Answer is said to be 63. Next we have question number 6. In a group of cows and hens, the total number of legs is Then we have question number 6. It states that in a group of cows and hens, total number of legs are thrice the total number of heads. If number of cows and hens put together is 100. Suppose if I say cows and hens, we have to answer cows. If I take cows to be x, hens to be 100 minus x, number of legs are 4x plus hens are 2 into 100 minus x. This is equal to thrice the number of heads. Number of heads are 100, 300, right? From here I can find out x, that is 4x minus 2x, 2x equal to 100, x equal to 50. Here I can say that number of cows are equal to 50 as well as number of hens are equal to 50. The question is very simple. Any question in which you have to deal with the heads and legs, it's better to form the equation. One equation has to be in the form of the heads and the second equation is to be in the form of the legs. After that, we can easily get our answer. Next we have question number 7. What this question talks about? It is given that sum of the ages of a man and his son is 40. 5 years ago, the product of their ages was 5 times the man's age at that time. The sum is 40. It means if I say age of son is equal to x, age of father is 40 minus x. Then it states us that 5 years ago, it is x minus 5. If I subtract 5 from here, that would be 35 minus x. The product is equal to 5 times of the present age of the man, that is 35 minus x, right? This will be cancelled out and I can say x is equal to 10, right? If x is equal to 10, then the age of the father is 30. So here I can say age of the son is 10 and father is 30. Answer to my question is B, that is 30 years and 10 years. Then you have statement number 8. What this question talks about? Sum of the numerator and denominator of a fraction is 22. If 2 is added to the numerator and 3 is added to the denominator, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. So when you look at these questions, here the sum is equal to 22. Just look out your options and you will find only in one question sum is 22, that is C, 7 upon 15. We try to adjust the second condition in this. If 2 is added in the numerator and 3 is added in the denominator, it becomes 9 upon 18, or my fraction becomes 1 by 2. So here I can say the fraction is 1 by 2. My answer is right. So I can say answer to this question is said to be C. The answer is 7 upon 15. Then you have statement number 9. It gives you that number of students in each section of a school is 25. After admitting 200 new students, 15 new sections were added and number of students in each section becomes 20, right? So what it says that total number of students in each section is 25. Suppose if I say number of sections are x, it means my total students are 25x. After admitting 200 students, now my total students are 25x plus 200 and 15 new sections were added. It means earlier my number of sections are x, now it will be x plus 15 and now in each section number of students are 20. Okay. With this equation we have to find the value of x because number of students will always remain the same. So I will take it as 25x plus 200 equal to 20x plus 300. It will give me 5x equal to 100, or I may say x equal to 20, right? So I can say that initially there are 20 sections in the class. Okay. Then you have statement number 10. What this talks about? It says you that in a 2-digit number, the sum of the digits is 9, right? And if the digits are reversed, number obtained is 8 by 3 of the original. It's better to go with option. Sum is 9 everywhere, right? When I just talk about this 45, if the digit is reversed, the number obtained is 8 by 3 of the original. When I take 8 by 3 of the 45, that is 120. Nowhere it's adjusted. When I say 27, 8 upon 3, that is 72. The reverse is there. Answer is B. Means 27, you have to take 8 by 3. That result in 72. It means the digit got reversed. Here I can say that is said to be 72. So here I can say that my answer is said to be B. Next we have question number 11. What this talks about? Sum of 4 consecutive integers is 102. We have to find the product of extremes. As I told you earlier, sum is given of 4 consecutive, make it as x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3, right? The sum is equal to 102. Add is, this is 4x plus 6 equal to 102. I can say 4x equal to 96, x equal to 24, right? So here I can say my smaller number is 24 and bigger one is 27. I have to find the product because the product of the extremes we have to find out. 24 7s are 168, 8, 16, then 48 and 16. That is said to be 64. So here I can say answer to my question is said to be 648. Answer is said to be C. Next you have statement number 12. What does it states you? The sum of the ages of father and a son is 45. 5 years ago the product of their ages was 4 times of the age of the father. Earlier I also discussed a question of this type. Sum of the father and son. X, let us assume that age of the son is x, father is 45 minus x. 5 years ago it is x minus 5. Subtract 5 here, that is 40 minus x. Is 4 times of the age of the father, that is 40 minus x, right? That will be cancelled out. Here I can say x is equal to 9 years. So we can say that the present age of the son is equal to 9 years as per to the information provided in the question. Then you have question number 13. It's based on the concept of fractions. What is given to you? It's a based on number. 2/3 of 3/4 of a number. Suppose if I say number is x, 2/3 of 3/4 of the number is added to 3/4 with 4/5 of the number, and we have to find out the result is how many times of the original. That simply means I have to divide this by x. That is my new number and this is my original number. We have to just tell out the result is how many times of the original. By looking at the question I can say x will be cancelled out. So I can say that 1 by 2 plus 4 by 5. LCM is said to be 10. This may be 5 plus 8. 13 by 10. Sorry, that is 3 by 5. So you have to make it as 5 plus 6, or here I can say 11 by 10. I can say that my new number is 11 by 10 times of the original number. Then you have statement number 14. What it talks about? Next we have question number 14. What this question talks about? A number is multiplied by 5. Suppose number is x, it is multiplied by 5. That becomes 5x. And 5 is added to the number, right? And 1/5 of the number is subtracted, means minus x by 5. The resultant is 25. Okay, we have to solve it. Take the LCM to be 5. Make it as 25x plus 25 minus x equal to 125. This gives me 24x equal to 100, or I can say x equal to 100 upon 24. This gives me 25 upon 6, or else I can say 41 by 6. That is my number. So I can say that the answer is said to be B, 41 upon 6. That's your answer. The answer to the question number 14 is 41 upon 6. Read this next question carefully. What this question talks about? A train drops 1/3 of the passenger at first stop and takes 200 more. It means originally it has x. It had given 1/3. How much left? 2/3. And it has taken 200 more passengers. At the second station, it drops half of the new total. It means if it drops half, how much is left? Half, and takes 100 more. Now total number of passengers is 300. We have to find the number of passengers in the beginning. Means I have to find the value of x. This goes there, 200. 2 will be multiplied 400. So I may say 2 by 3x plus 200 equal to 400. Now this will be subtracted. So I can say 2 by 3x equal to 200, x equal to 300. So here we can say that if x is equal to 300, means initial number of persons in the beginning was equal to 300. That becomes your answer. Next you have question number 16. It is given that sum of the two numbers is 62. It means a plus b equal to 62. And the product of the number is 960, a into b 960. We have to find sum of the reciprocals, means 1 by a plus 1 by b, right? So don't find the value of a and b here, because finally I have to find out the sum of the reciprocals. So I can take my LCM to be ab, it gives me b plus a. I know that b plus a is 62, ab is equal to 960. Just solve it, right? So we can say that that is taken as 31 upon 480. So here I can say the number is said to be 31 upon 480. Answer to my question is B. Next you have question number 17. What it talks about, highest score in an inning is 2/7 of the total score. Suppose my total score is x, it means highest score is 2/7x. And the next highest was 2/7 of the remainder. Now just check out. If 2/7 is initial, remainder, the remainder becomes 5/7x. Okay. And next highest is 5/7, 2/7 of this. It means I have to make it 2/7 of this. If the total score we have to find out if the difference is equal to 16, means that is equal to 16. Again pay attention here what I told you. Suppose my initial score is x, the total score of the inning is x, right? In that highest score in an inning is 2/7, means 2/7x. Whatever is left, that is 5/7x. Next highest is 2/7 of this. So we can make it as 2/7 of this, it equal to 16. Now I can say that 2/7x minus 10x by 49 equal to 16. LCM is 49. 7 sevens are, that gives me 14x minus 10x equal to 16. Or else I can say 4x upon 49 equal to 16. 4 will go on 4, or x I may take it as 4 9s 36 6 3 16 or 3 19. So I can say that that is equal to 196. It means that the total score in the inning is 196. That is your answer. Then you have question number 18. What this question talks about, a fraction is such that if numerator is multiplied by 3 and denominator is reduced by 5. Suppose my numerator is x and denominator is y. Numerator is multiplied by 3, 3x, denominator is reduced by 5, the fraction becomes 9 by 5. That's my first case. From here I can infer an equation, that is 15x equal to 9y minus 45, right? Or else I can say that is 15x minus 9y equal to 45. 3 would be taken as common, so I may take it as 5x minus 3y equal to 15. That's my equation number 1, right? Now we have the second condition. If numerator is decreased by 5, I may take it as x minus 5, and denominator is double, 2y, the fraction becomes 1 by 5. Okay? Now I can take it as 5x minus 25 equal to 2y, or you may take it as 5x minus 2y equal to 25, right? Now here we have two equations and we have to find the values of x and y, right? Here you may try with the option. Suppose if I say 7 and 12, 35 minus 36, no answer is there. If I say 8 and 21, 40 and 63, no answer is there. If I say 12 and 25, right, 12 and 25, but if I put a 12, that is 60 and 25. So we have to just solve it for x and y. We may solve it just subtracting both. So we get it as minus, that would be cancelled out. It would be minus y equal to minus 10. It means y is equal to 10, right? Similarly, when y is equal to 10, I can find out x, that is 30. That goes there. So I can say x is equal to 9. Here I can say my answer to this question is said to be 9 and 10. So my fraction is 9 upon 10. That's my answer. So here I can say answer to this question is D, that is none of these. Next you have question number 19. It states you that 1/3 of 1/2 of a number, 1/3 of 1/2 of a number is subtracted from other half. Is subtracted from other half means we have to subtract x by 2 minus x upon 6. This difference is again subtracted by 1/4 of the number. Means now this difference we have to subtract from 1/4 of the number. So I can find the difference, that would be 6. It may be 3x minus x. That would be x by 3. Now this difference is subtracted from 1/4 of the number. So x by 3 minus x by 4 equal to 25. We have to find the number, LCM is 12. So I make it as 4x minus 3x equal to 25 into 12. By solving it, I can say x equal to 300. Here I can say that initially my number is 300. Pay attention here what I have done. 1/3 of 1/2 of a number means x by 6. is subtracted from the other half, that is x by 2, right? And this difference is again subtracted from 1/4 of the number. So you have to just take the question in such a way and your answer will be clear. Next you have question number 20 here. What this question talks about? Let's read the question. In a team, the captain took 1/4 of the cake, right? Suppose if I take cake to be x, captain had taken x by 4, and the remaining was shared equally by rest of the members. Suppose if I say, apart from captain, there are m members in the team. How much is left? 3x by 4. That has to be shared by these m persons, means one person will get 3x by 4 by m, right? Now it is given that share of the capital is 3 times as much as of this, means multiply by 3, both are equal, right? From here I can find the value of m, and by solving it I can say m equal to 9. It means that except the captain there are 9 persons in the team. It means total number of persons in the team is equal to 9 plus 10. One answer is equal to 10. Here I can say total number of members in the team is equal to 10. Then you have question number 21. It is given that Sanjay read 4/7 of a book on one day, right? And 2/3 of the remaining, means it's a concept of remaining. Suppose if I say total number of books pages are equal to x, he reads 4/7, means how much is left? 1 minus 4/7, right? 2/3 of the remaining on the second day. How much is left? 1 minus 2/3, and the remaining pages are equal to 40. We have to find the total number of pages. That would be x into 3/7 into 1/3 equal to 40. Here I can say x equal to 40 into 7, 280. So my answer to this question is number of pages in the book is equal to 280. So what I can say that, suppose originally it is x, 4/7 he read, it means how much is left? 1 minus 4/7. Then 2/3 of the remaining, means now after this he read 2/3. It means 1 minus 2/3. Total equal to 40. Solve it and find the value of x. Answer is said to be 280. 280 becomes your answer. Then you have question number 22. It is given that sum of digits of a 2-digit number is 12. The fraction formed by taking 3 less than the number as numerator and 6 more than the number as denominator is 9/10. We have to find the number. Okay. We can just take the help of option. Sum is 12. We can say was that everywhere sum is 12. Number formed by 3 less than the number as numerator. Why take the first option? 48 minus 3, 45, and 6 more here, that is 54. Check out whether it is 9/10. No. In the second case, if I take 84, 84 minus 3, 81, and here I have to take 84 plus 6, 90. If I take my fraction 9/10, here I can say the fraction is said to be 9/10. The answer to my question is B. So I can say my number is equal to 84. That becomes my answer. It's better to go these type of questions from options. Next we have question number 23. It is given that there are some ants in 2 suites B1 and B2. If one ant moves from B1 to B2, in that case number of ants in both boxes will be equal. It means that number of ants in B1 must be greater than ants in B2, right? While looking at the option, I can say my answer is D, because in D option only the ants in B1 is more than B2, hence I can say answer is D, right? Or we can check out further, that is 15, that is 13, one ant moves, both will be 14. The first condition is satisfied. Second says if 9 ants transfer from B2 to B1, here it would be 22. Number of ants in B1 would be 6 times the number of ants would be B2. Like if I say 9 ants from here to here, that becomes 24, and here it is 4, that is 6 times of this. I can say my answer is said to be D. Or else if at any place, if by the first condition you are in a position to eliminate the options, it's better to eliminate the options as soon as possible. So I can say answer is said to be D. Next we have question number 24. It states that a person is engaged for 30 days on the condition that he receives rupees 50 for doing the work and he is fined rupees 15 for each day he is absent, right? And totally gets rupees 1110 for how many days he was absent. Let us assume that he was absent for x days. It means that he has worked for 30 minus x days. For doing that work, he get 30 minus x into 50. For absent, he is find that is 15x, and finally he get 1110. I have to find the value of x, just multiply. That gives me 1500 minus 50x minus 15x equal to 1110. That value will come here, and here I can say that is 390 equal to 65x. Okay, I have to solve it. When I divide this by x, so we may say 390 by 65. My answer is said to be 5. So we can say that the person was absent for 5 days. That's why he got rupees 1110 as his salary. Next we have question number 25. What this talks about? Divide 27 in two parts such that sum of the reciprocals is 3 upon 20. So I can say, let us assume that one part is x, second would be 27 minus x. Sum of their reciprocals, so 1 by x, 1 by 27 minus x equal to 3 by 20. We have to take the LCM and solve it. We can make it as 20 will come this side, take the LCM, that would be 27 minus x plus x equal to 3, or else I can say that would be taken as, here it is x into 27 minus 2x, x, right? Here I can say that would be 20 into 27, 540, and here we can say that 81x minus 3x square, right? 3 would be cancelled out, 180 equal to 27x minus x square, or my equation is x square minus 27x plus 180 equal to 0. When we make the factors here, try to make the factors, we can say 15 and 12, that is minus 15x minus 12x. So here I can say my answer is said to be B. My numbers would be 15 and 12 such that we can divide these two numbers in such a way that sum of their reciprocals would be 3 upon 20. I hope these questions are clear to you. Read the questions, try to understand the approach, how it could be done fastly, and some places we taken the help of the options. Some question I just explained to how to solve it. So that is a strategy to empower you so that you can solve the questions very well, very easily in your examinations. Thank you very much.